we're going to go to Pizza Eater B. All right, Pizza Eater B. Now, Pizza Eater B is a little different than Pizza Eater A. Pizza Eater B is eating pizza every 30 minutes. All right, so that's the key. But everything else works the same way. So as soon as the pizza arrives, that's going to be turn 0. And the pizza is going to go in the fridge at 100% of the pizza. And that's going to be time 0. All right. Okay, so we get to turn 1. You guys think about this and fill this out on your own. All right, so go to turn 1. How much pizza is going to be left at the end of turn 1? Actually, all right, so we cut that in half. There's going to be 50% of the pizza left. Now that means that 30 minutes has passed. Well, let's figure out exactly when Pizza Eater B got his pizza. So we're going to say is that Pizza Eater B, when we go and find his pizza, there is going to be 12.5% of the pizza left in the box. So the only thing left in the pizza box is going to be this slice right here. All right, so that's 12.5%. That's all that's left. So the question is, how long ago did Pizza Eater B get his pizza? All right, so we know we've already gone 30 minutes, but we're only at 50%. So that's this part right here. All right, so we've accounted for half. All right, so now let's go to turn 2. On turn 2, how much pizza is left after turn 2? Okay, so you should have divided 50% by 2 and gotten 25%. And at 30-minute intervals, 30-minute turns, that means that Pizza Eater B is at 60 minutes. All right, so now we've accounted for that. All right, so let's do turn 3. All right, so at turn 3, we take 25%, cut it in half. That's going to be 12.5%. And that would have happened at 90 minutes. So now we've accounted for all of the eaten pizza, and we only have 12.5% left. We only have that one orange slice left. So what that tells us is that when we walk in and we check the Pizza Eater B's box, and there's 12.5%, that means that his pizza arrived 90 minutes ago. That's when it went into the fridge. So Pizza Eater B got his pizza at 90 minutes ago. All right, let's do another one. Cold Pizza Eater C eats every 60 minutes. All right. Now, in this particular case, when we open the pizza box for Pizza Eater C, we are going to find that there is half of the pizza left in the box. So we have this half right here. All right. So we start off at turn 0. How much pizza is there at turn 0? 100%. And no time has passed yet. Pizza has just been delivered. It's gone right into the fridge to get cold. All right. Now we go to turn 1. All right. So turn 1, how much pizza gets eaten and how much pizza gets left? All right. So if we take 100% and cut it in half, we get 50%. And that, according to the rule for Pizza Eater C, is going to take 60 minutes. All right. So we've identified here that Pizza Eater C, we wanted 50% left. We've got 50% left. So Pizza Eater C got their pizza 60 minutes ago. Okay. So sometimes we have to look for different kinds of evidence. So far for Pizza Eater A, B, and C, we've looked at how much pizza is left in the box. But sometimes what we want to understand is that sometimes we have to look for a different kind of evidence. because in this case, there's definitely a process that goes on with pizza. So what happens to pizza once you eat it? Well, it turns into poop, right? All right, so here's the deal. And I know this is really weird, but this is going to work, all right? So trust me, go with it, roll with it. All right, so once we start talking about pizza, pizza's going to get eaten, but then it's going to get turned into poop. So we have another kind of evidence available to us, despite how gross it is. All right. So here's the deal. So what happens in this case is the pizza turns into poop. We can still use poop to figure out how long ago the pizza was ordered. Now, I understand that this isn't quite real, but remember that this is a lesson to learn how to use to think about this process. And all of these rules are really important. We're going to understand why when we in the future. All right. So at turn 0, how much pizza is there? There's 100% pizza. All right. So if there's 100% pizza, how much pizza has been turned into poop? 0%. All right. Now that, of course, takes 0 minutes because the pizza is still in the fridge to get cold. Now, according to this, pizza eater D is going to eat every 30 minutes. So at one turn, if we follow the rules, at one turn, pizza eater D will eat half of the pizza, 50%. Now, how much of the pizza gets turned into poop at that point? 50%. All right, and that took 30 minutes. Okay, so then we go to turn 2. Same rules apply. Pizza eater D has to show good manners and eat only half of what's left. So he's going to eat half of the 50%, and that's going to leave 25% left. But here's the thing: is he's already eaten half the pizza and turned half of the pizza into poop. Now he's going to eat another 25% and turn that into poop too. So how much poop is there going to be now? Now there's going to be 75% poop. Now how long did that take? That took 60 minutes. Okay, turn 3. Turn 3 is 12.5%. And how much poop is there going to be this time? All right, so if I had 75%, now I'm going to add another 12.5% to that. So I'm going to get 87.5% poop. And that's going to take 90 minutes. All right, so the idea here is the same rules still apply. On turn 4, we're going to take the pizza, we're going to cut it in half. So now we have 6.25%. And we have to take the pizza that he just ate, which is 6.25%, and add it to the and digest it and add it to the existing amount of poop. So we get 93.75% poop, and that would have taken 120 minutes. Now we could keep going with this the same way we could keep going before. But again, the amount of pizza gets so small that it really just doesn't matter anymore. So in this particular case, what would happen if we came in and we found that there was 75% of the pizza had been turned into poop. Now we're not finding the pizza. There's no pizza box. We would have to find the 75% poop. And yes, I know that's gross, but roll with it. There's a reason for all of this. All right. So if we find that there's 75% poop, that means that he was on turn 2, and that took Pizza Eater D 60 minutes because it takes 30 minutes per turn here. All right. Okay. So let's see if we can answer some questions. Which 2 pizza eaters got their pizzas delivered at the same time? Let's review. All right. So with Pizza Eater D, we found that because there was 75% poop, the only way we could get that is by cutting it in half, adding that to the poop, cutting it in half, adding that to the poop. And it took 2 turns to get to 75% poop. That takes Pizza Eater D 30 minutes per turn, mean total of 60 minutes. So Pizza Eater D got their pizza 60 minutes ago. All right, let's see who else got their pizza. or what time else they got their pizza at. Pizza Eater C also got their pizza at 60 minutes ago. Now, what's important to recognize here is that even though they got their pizza at the same time, they took different number of turns because they eat at different intervals. They eat at different times. So Pizza Eater C only got one turn. Pizza Eater D had 2 turns because he eats more frequently. Pizza Eater B got their pizza 90 minutes ago, and Pizza Eater A got their pizza 30 minutes ago. All right, so who got their pizza first? All right, so let's figure out this sequence here. So Pizza Eater B got 90 minutes. Pizza Eater C and D both got their pizza at 60 minutes ago. And Pizza Eater A got their pizza 30 minutes ago. So the mystery of the cold pizza delivery. Let's identify the sequence. So the first person to get their pizza was Pizza Eater B at 90 minutes ago. Let's do it this way, actually. So the oldest at 90 minutes was Pizza Eater B at 90 minutes ago. Then we had Pizza Eater C and D both got their pizza 60 minutes ago. And lastly, Pizza Eater A got their pizza 30 minutes ago. All right, so there's the sequence. All right, so here's some thinking questions. Will the pizza ever run out if the cold pizza eaters can only ever eat 50% of what's left? Thinking question. Think about that. Will it ever run out? Question 2. Is there a point where the amount of pizza left is so small that it would be difficult to measure? Well, think about how thin you might be able to slice a pizza. And think about how small it would have to be before that really didn't matter anymore. All right, so those are thinking questions. All right, guys. So listen, I know this is a weird lesson. If you need to, go through it again, all right? But this is an important lesson for Wednesday's lesson. Wednesday's lesson will be a lot more earth science, a lot more new terms, but it's the same kind of thinking that we just did. And I'm going to refer to this lesson, what I call the pizza poop lesson, on Wednesday. All right. Okay, everybody, take care. Enjoy your week, and I will hopefully see you guys all on Wednesday.